Walking down the flower road tonight. Ja breeze make me spirit feel alright. Colors in the air, sun shining bright. Freedom on my soul, everything nice. Petals falling slow like rain from Zion. Heart full of peace, no war to rely on. Babylon noise fade away in a distance. Nature give me strength and resistance. Birds them sing through the morning sky. Sweet reggae bass make the soul fly high. Every little flower whisper hope to me. Roots and culture set the mind free. Inna the wind me hear Jah call. No chains tonight, no fear at all. Dub echo floating through the trees. Rasta heart dancing with the breeze. Walking down the flower road tonight. Jah breeze make me spirit feel alright. Colors in the air, sun shining bright. Freedom na my soul, everything nice. Echoes through the valley. One drop, heartbeat of creation. Smoke rise to the stars above. Rasta living in eternal love. Golden sunset on the mountainside. Lion spirit walking with pride. No hate, no fight in this vibration. Only peace and meditation. Footsteps up on the blooming ground. Heavy dub bass shake the sound. Future and roots come together as one. Moonlight glow replace the sun. Flower guide me home. Jah light never leave.